So I'm going to walk you through how to sell a poor man's covered call on interactive brokers. Now, whether you're using the desktop app or you're using the mobile phone app, which I've got in front of me here, it's the exact same process. So I'm going to go with the assumption that we don't even have a leap. I'll do a separate video on my strategy around leaps, but what we're going to do, we're going to firstly buy a leap, which is effectively a long-term call option, which we're going to buy, and then we're going to be selling short-term call options, which is referred to as the poor man's covered call. Now, the reason why it's called a poor man's covered call is we are controlling 100 shares for less than the cost of buying 100 shares. So, for example, you can see here, I've got Netflix here. This is one of the stocks I'm looking at in terms of getting in from a poor man's covered call elites perspective. And you can see here Netflix in the top left is trading around $83. So the traditional covered call would be I would buy 100 shares, which will cost me $8,300, and then go and start selling covered calls against it and opening that as an option. But what we can start doing this through a long-term call option, which will give us the exposure of 100 shares. So I've got the options chain up, and the first thing we need to do is select your leap or long-term call strike. Generally, I like to go out around a year and a half, so I like the June 17th. And again, this isn't a video on a leap strategy or anything like that. This is just showing you how to place a poor man's covered call using interactive brokers. So again, you can pick a strike price that, in my view, you need to be selecting anywhere between a 75 to 80 delta. So let's go with the 80 delta. You can see that on the call side, that we've got the 66 strike is sitting at 80 delta, and you can see that it's going to cost somewhere between $26 and $27, so 2.6 to 2.7k to control 100 shares of Netflix. As you can remember, to buy 100 shares of Netflix is $8,300, where it's only costing me 2.7k. And in terms of the price movement of this leap, for every dollar Netflix goes up or down, you'll feel it like 80 cents of that value, right? Where in the example of owning 100 shares, if it goes up by $1, you make $1. If it goes down by $1, you lose $1. And as Netflix goes up, the delta starts to increase. And this is where you get the leverage, because your cost is fixed at 2.6, 2.7k. Eventually, as you go deeper in the money, you can see that the delta is rising. So you're making more per dollar Netflix goes up to 0.99, because you can't get higher than 1, and you only pay 2.7k, so you can get that full leverage if the move goes in your direction. Again, this is just all about selling poor man's covered calls, but that's just more of the logic around leaps. So we have our long-term call option or our leap option, and then what we do in the same expiration or in the same options chain, we pick a shorter date expiration. Let's say we go 28 days out to February the 27th. And then what we do is we look for a strike price that we're comfortable with. If Netflix gets above that strike price, we're happy to, close out the overall position. If Netflix continues to go down, then again, we can roll down our covered calls, all these kind of good things. So again, I like the 88 strike here. It's at a 27 delta. And again, I can sell that option. And what it does, it puts it all into one kind of section within the options chain. And if I scroll this up, so you can just kind of see what's going on here. So again, your max loss is obviously the cost you paid for the leap minus the covered call premium, which is the 27 minus the 1.2. And your max return is 324. And that 324 is the covered call premium plus the appreciation of that leap from 83 up to 88. So that's where we want to get to, is obviously we want Netflix to go up, and whether it's poor man's covered call or covered call strategies, their mechanisms are exactly the same, and what we want to do is for the price to go up very slowly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this order. So I hope this video was useful, and I shall see you guys in the next one.